What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Guys, for breakfast, I'm doing fish and grits. I just love the contrast of the texture. Got that really crunchy vegan fish with the smooth, creamy grits to get things going for the day. So when I'm cooking grits, I tend to follow the instructions for the most part, but I always find myself adding just a little bit more water just so that they're not too grainy or thick. So for lunch, I'm going to be doing some basil fried rice. Honestly, quick backstory, you guys. In my pre-vegan days, this was my go-to dish. I used to get chicken, basil fried rice, and I loved it. And I was a little on the fence. I was a little nervous once I made the vegan transition. I was like, oh my God, I don't know if I can recreate this and make it just as good. Guys, it's better. Believe me. Check this out. So guys, when frying the rice, I pretty much had to stay close to the oven the entire time because as you see, it's singed a bit, but I probably wasn't too far off from burning it. So if you recreate this dish, just make sure you're stirring pretty frequently. For dinner, I'm doing stuffed avocado. This dish is so easy to put together. Honestly, the bulk of the time is really spent cutting the veggies, but the saute is so fast using the stirring chicken, and also even with sauteing the veggies, it was super quick. I think this is one that you can literally knock down in less than 15 minutes, top to bottom. So guys, I know it might seem like I have all these veggies. I've got this vegan chicken and I'm using one avocado. Full disclosure, I actually had purchased 3 avocados, but 2 of them weren't ripe in time for my recording. So that is the only reason why the proportions are a little weird. But if you do recreate this at home, you'll just want to purchase 3 avocados, and trust me, all the items you have will be used. In closing, guys, after you've added that vegan chicken, the peppers, the tomatoes, adding this topping of the tahini and vegetable oil is incredible, and the cracked pepper really knocks it out the park.